Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will learn the process of creating or altering party ledgers using GSTN UIN in TallyPrime. With the connected GST experience introduced in TallyPrime Release 5.0, you can create a party ledger quicker than ever. All you need to have is the GSTN or UIN of the party. Just enter it and you get all the information that you can copy to the ledger. With the all-new experience of creating or altering party ledgers merely with GSTN or UIN, you not only get the work done faster, you also get authentic and real-time data about the party since all the details are fetched from the GST portal. What's more, you get to know their filing details. And you also get to know the GST registration status of the party. Let's first see how to create a ledger using the party GSTN or UIN. Press Alt-G. Create Master Ledger and press Enter. Press Alt-L to fetch details using the GSTN or UIN. Enter the GSTN or UIN and there you go. You've got all the details of the party. You get PAN and other details such as registration status of the party. Now press Ctrl A and you see that the ledger is ready. In the ledger creation screen, select the appropriate group and enter other necessary information. Press Ctrl A to save the ledger. You can also view a party's compliance history using GSTN or UIN. Once you fetch all the information about the party using GSTN or UIN, you can view their GST return filing history too. Press Alt-S to view filing history. You get to know the invoice applicability, date of registration, and date of cancellation if applicable. You also get to know the nature of business and branch information of the party. Most importantly, you get to know the date, mode, and status of filing GSTR1 and GSTR3B of the last 6 months. A party's compliance history helps you know your counterparty's business practices better. Now, let's see how to alter a ledger using party GSTN or UIN. When you want to check the real-time details of a party, you can do so from the ledger alteration screen. Press Alt-G. Alter Master Ledger. Now let us record a purchase voucher crossing the threshold limit with the TDS 194Q nature of payment. Press Alt-L to fetch details using GSTN or UIN. Notice that the registration is regular, but status is cancelled. You can therefore update registration type to unregistered by referring the date of cancellation. Let's change the status of GST registration to unregistered consumer. Enter the effective date and press Ctrl A to save. Once you alter the ledger, press Ctrl A to save the ledger. As you saw, the facility to fetch party details using GSTN or UIN helps you save a great deal of time. And you get to know their compliance history too. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl plus F1 to learn how to complete the task. You can also WhatsApp for assistance. Subscribe to the Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.